Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Lost or forgotten your Apple ID password? In this video, I will show you how to reset it and regain access to your account. Let's go. If you have an Apple device, you can reset your password directly on your iPhone or iPad. If you've set up two-factor authentication, resetting your password will be even easier. To start, go to Settings and click on your name at the top. Navigate to Sign In and Security. Then change Password. If stolen device protection is enabled, you might be required to wait for 1 hour before using Face ID to reset your Apple account password. If you're signed in and have enabled a passcode, you'll be asked to enter it. Enter a new password and confirm it. If you don't have access to your Apple device, you can use Apple's recovery website. Go to your browser and visit iForgot.apple.com. Here, tap the Reset Password button and you'll be prompted to reset your own password, or use this device to help someone reset their password. Select the first one and Apple will guide you through a verification process, which might include answering security questions or receiving a verification code on another device. Once verified, you'll be able to create a new password. Lastly, you can also contact Apple support for help with account recovery. To contact them online, open your browser and visit support.apple.com on your iPhone or computer. From the dashboard, browse to the Get Support section and click Start Now. For more personalized support, sign in with your Apple ID and follow the on-screen instructions to start your request. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.